Welcome to Ibhuda Ephekayo. Today we're not really showing the cooking, but I'm learning how to plate ukutya, and it's mostly because some of y'all bullied me in the comment section. So here we go. So here we have umuşol klope, but I threw some curry into it so that's ibeno life, and have some pop. And I'm still learning, so please bear with me. And on the side, I threw some green beans and carrots. Lately, those have been one of my favorite. And here we have mushrooms and soup situation going on. I don't know, but I know it, but it tastes amazing. And then we have a gratale too, and on top we sprinkle it with izinto green just to give it more life again. Rated. Here's the actual picture. Oh,